This is my new Otto stroller, and I absolutely love it. It's everything it promised to be. If I spin it around here, you can see that there is a button here, and then there's this little handle down here to squeeze on. If you push this and lift on this, you just lift it up and it pops right open. And it's a really nice looking stroller. The handle here is easy to carry it with when it's all folded up, and the little footrest down here, you can actually lift this up or down and lock it into place there, and then it's got little buttons you can push to lower it back down depending on how big your child is. It's got these really nice padded strap covers and a nice little compartment down in the bottom that you can put bags in if you're shopping or whatever. This is all removable too, so it can be thrown in the washer. The hood is really nice. It's got an extra little like sun visor flap here, if you can see that. And then that actually zips open as well, so that while you are walking, you can put it down even farther. You can see that. And you can see your baby through the mesh here. So that's really cool. It does have this little cup holder that came with it. You can squeeze on this, or actually pull the tab open to remove that and put it back in place. One of the only bad things I could find with this stroller is that there's no little clip for that on the left hand side, so if you prefer your drink on the left hand side, unfortunately you might need to get one of those extra little carrying things that goes in between the handles, one of the accessories that has a little cup holder and little pockets in it. This is nice leather on the handle here, and it's padded. It's really nice feeling. And only other downside that I could find is that this handle, because of the way that the stroller does fold up, if we look here, there's no way to adjust where this handle sits, but I'm 5'4" and it sits right about my waist. It looks like a pretty comfortable level, and also with the padding here, the handles don't feel uncomfortable at all, so I don't think that's going to be a problem. When we pull this back, if you want to adjust the seat itself so that it lays back farther, on the back side of the stroller here is this little clip and these little straps. If you put one finger in here and then push these little buttons on either side, you can pull down on that, and that actually loosens this whole part so that it falls down and it can lay back farther, as you can see there. And then to raise it up, you just hold those little tabs and push that up. It's hard for me to do with only one hand since I'm holding the camera, so I'm not going to do that. But underneath here as well, there's also a zipper pouch right here. And a nice little zipper pouch that can hold all kinds of stuff as well. So that's kind of nice. It's almost hidden, really. I really like that feature on it as well. And then when it's time to close it up, so easy. Same little handle here. I'm just going to push the button again and squeeze down on that, and it folds right back down, and it's ready to be carried away. I'm not sure exactly what it weighs. It's obviously not as light as a smaller stroller like an umbrella stroller, but it does fold down extremely easily. Very easy to lift it up if I needed to put it in the car one-handed, and I just absolutely love it. I think it's great.